Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new rows from Google Sheets to the ProveSource service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new lines from Google Sheets to other systems. For example, you can send this data to the ProveSource service via a webhook, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Google Sheets data source system. Now you need to select an action. Get rows new. At this stage you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the username and password of your personal Google account. At this stage, be sure to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Then you need to specify the file and sheet from which the data will be uploaded. In the field Start Data Loading with Row Number, you must specify the row number from which you want to start uploading data. For example, if you have 1000 rows in the table, and you do not want to transfer all these rows, you need to specify the number 999 in order to start downloading from the last one. I have 2 rows in my table, so I will specify 2. Now you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see the data from the line that you specified in the settings. If everything suits you, click Next. On this setting of the Google Sheets data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Select ProveSource as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this point you need to connect your ProveSource account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the URL to which the data will be sent. In order to get it, go to the ProveSource personal account. Then you need to create a new notification. Select Stream. Then select the webhook system. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. Check that notification is enabled. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to choose the type of data sending. PostJSON. Now you need to fill in the parameters, where name is the name of the variable, and value is its value. In the drop-down list, select a variable from Google Sheets. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ProveSource via webhook for each new one from Google Sheets. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. After successful sending, go to ProveSource and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of ProveSource data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.